Mahalo. I'm Captain Seasoning. If you're anything like me, you've run out of mixers for your alcohol, so you're gonna need to improvise. Here's a little trick that may save you some time, but also taste really delicious and something that you can drink your alcohol with. Okay, go ahead and look down here. You're gonna take the vodka. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? You can use any liquor for this if you want a different liquor. Maybe clear stuff's better than brown. It's up to you. Okay, you're gonna take the vodka and you're gonna pour it in. You do a pretty liberal pour, it's okay. I think this warrants it. You're gonna take the Otter Pop. Now I like red flavor, but you could choose any flavor, green, blue, pink, any flavor you want. Tastes pretty much the same. Okay, then you're gonna take your scissors and you're gonna carefully open up. Then you're gonna take the protective plastic sleeve off of the Otter Pop. And you can discard that in the, you want to get every little bit out. Look at how nice that looks. Look at that. Look at that, it's perfect. Now I like to give it a little shake and let it melt a little bit. And then you can add a little soda water with that, or you could just drink it the way it is. Look at that, it's perfect. It's very simple, easy quarantine cocktails when all your mixers have run out. Mahalo.